Today's topic is De Morgan's theorem. Now, in this first is it states that complement of product is equal to the sum of complements. So, this is actually the statement of the De Morgan's first law. So, you have to focus on the statement. So, complement of product. So, itself it is considered as a complement of product. Product means what? Into. So, I am writing here A into B. Now, we are saying that complement of product A into B, the complement itself it is considered as a bar. So, complement of product is equal to sum of complements. So, what is the meaning of this? So, sum of complements. So, these are two variables. I am taking these two variables A and B. So, the statement and the expression is like this: complement of product is equal to sum of complements. So, here A into B whole bar. Now, the operator is going to change in the De Morgan's theorem and the complements are separated and it is considered as an individual variable. So, the operator is going to change this. So, into become plus. Okay. So, how to implement this logic? Now, A into B, that is what we are taking the and NAND gate. So, A into B whole bar, that is considered as a NAND gate. A into B whole bar. So, this is what the LHS is equal to. Now, you have to implement this. A become A bar by using one NOT gate, that A become A bar, and B become B bar by using this NOT gate. B become B bar by using second NOT gate, and this plus sign, for that purpose we are taking, for this plus we are taking OR gate. So, it is implemented by using this A bar plus B bar. Like that we are going to implement this first law, that is what the De Morgan's first law. Complement of product is equal to sum of complements. Now, same like that, this second law is this. It states that complement of sum. So, you have to focus that complement of sum, that is considered as A plus B whole bar. So, complement of sum is equal to product of complements. So, product of complements means what? It is the product of complements. Now, how to implement this logic? So, A plus B whole bar. So, I am taking two inputs and for that I am taking the NOR gate A and B. So, A plus B whole bar, that is only for LHS. So, for RHS I am taking same like this way. So, NOT gate is going to implemented A become A bar, B become B bar, and the two inputs are connected, and for this product I am taking the AND gate. So, it become A bar into B bar. So, by using the De Morgan's theorem we can realize, by using NAND and NOR gate we can implement such type of expressions. When we want to combine the complements we can use NAND and NOR gate. Okay? Thank you.